Hi there. Has Zoom been behaving oddly this week? Perhaps you don't see it on your menu bar anymore, or perhaps it's not working correctly in your Google Calendar. I'm going to help you fix that. Some changes happened with Google this week, and the fix is annoying, but not too hard. All you have to do is go into your Chrome browser and type in the word Chrome // and then the word extensions. And assuming that you've already added the Zoom scheduler for Chrome, it should show up as one of your extensions. You can see I have a lot, but I can see that it's turned off. I'm going to make sure it's turned back on. And this was subtle, but one of the things that changed is I now have the little Zoom icon back on my menu bar up there. And now if I open up my calendar in a new window, I will see that I can create a new meeting right here. And I'm going to go to more options. And of course, I can make it a Zoom meeting. It'll even let me set a unique password if I wanted for just that meeting. That's my generic one. But now I've set up a Zoom meeting and everything is working again, just like it should. If you're trying to do these steps while you have Google Calendar already open, you may want to close that tab first or refresh your page. Sometimes when you turn extensions off or on, you need to refresh the page before those changes go into effect. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that was helpful. Thank you.